In this video, I will show you how to get custom transparent Steam profile. So the first thing you need to do, click on this profile and click on view my profile and go ahead on click edit profile and then click on Steam Point Shop. Go ahead and click on game profiles and after that find the Dying Light 2. So you need to purchase this. So you need a balance points to purchase this. So this Dying Light is cost 10,000 points. And then after you purchase it, go back to profile, click on view my profile, click on edit profile, and here you will see the special profile here. So in my example, I have no special profile because I have no points. Then once you here, go to profile background and you will see many options that you can choose on background, and after that click on save. Once you save it, you can go to edit profile here and you will see your background, your transparent background here, or go to community here, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.